Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I am doing a shortcut quick weave mohawk. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm not going to talk too much in this one, maybe not at all. So just take what you can from this, and I hope you enjoy. And if you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on this channel is tutorials, how-tos, unboxings, reviews. And if you're willing to learn something, you're in the right place. So just hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and we'll love on you over here. So what I'm doing right here in the video, I am sewing down the first track so it doesn't lift and it will be secure. And guys, stick around until the end of the video where I will be cutting this quick weave, the funnest part of my whole entire experience of doing hair. I love cutting. Now I am using two types of curls. I am using Deepwave and I am using Wet and Wavy. I like to mix my curls because it gives you a more natural and realistic effect to me for curly hair. So I always mix two types of curls. And in this one, it's Deepwave and Wet and Wavy. And in the beginning of the video, I think I showed you guys what type of hair I am using. Now with Wet and Wavy here, it doesn't come curly. The reason why it looks curly is because I washed it before I applied it on the client. So I can see what the curl is going to look like and I can mix it evenly and properly. If I didn't wash it and I left it kind of bushy looking, kinky before I installed it, it would have been kind of, so it's best to always wash your Wet and Wavy hair before you install it. Basically, it's just easier to judge your pieces. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I'll be sure to handle them for you, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.